What's up, YouTube? This is your boy Chef Fissy today in the building with another recipe. Today I'm going to show you how to make your own Jamaican chicken pasta served up with some alfredo sauce. Alright, so today we're going to do the chicken pasta in alfredo sauce. Alright, so stay tuned where I show you how to make your chicken pasta in alfredo sauce.
Hey, done what?
Static Entertainment.
Spread your wings. Nothing is impossible, believe.
What you mean?
If I can do it, you can spread your wings.
Do it.
Nothing is impossible.
Alright, welcome back. So here we have about half pound of chicken breast that we're going to use today. We also have some seasoning. We have some bell pepper over here, the yellow one, the red and the green. We have some chopped white onion. We're using tomato. We have a little bit of chopped garlic and scotch bonnet here. We have black pepper and also we have salt. Alright, so let's start seasoning up our chicken first. Chicken breast, alright? So we're going to use a pinch of salt. Not a lot. Another pinch of black pepper. Alright. The seasoning to taste, for taste, alright? Pinch of salt, pinch of black pepper. Just use a little bit of all-purpose, just for flavor, just a pinch. It's not a lot of chicken. And then we're going to use a quarter teaspoon soy sauce. Alright? Then we're going to mix this nicely. Season this nicely. Alright? So we're going to leave this to marinate for 10 minutes, 10-15 minutes, and then we're going to heat our pot to start our chicken. Alright? Alright, so over here we have our pot that we heated for our chicken. We're going to pour about 2 teaspoons of olive oil. Alright? And then we're going to start putting our chicken. Alright? So we're going to kind of saute this and allow your chicken to cook for about 5 minutes. Right? Take the time and you saute your chicken breast. You know your chicken breast is easy to cook, so it won't take long to cook. Saute it nicely for about 5 minutes. Alright, so allow that to cook. Ensure that you check it on a regular basis because you don't want it to burn. Alright, about 4 minutes. Let's add some fresh chopped white onion. Nicely. Saute that. Alright, remember your chicken breast don't take long to cook. So, alright. Let's add our scotch bonnet here with our chopped garlic for taste and flavor. Chicken pasta with alfredo sauce now. Alright, let's add our fresh bell pepper. You know, we like our thing with a little flavor, yeah? Fresh bell pepper smells so nice. Let's add our tomato. Right. So a sprinkle of black pepper and a little bit of salt. Now just sprinkle black pepper and a little bit of salt. You stir nicely on slow heat. Alright, we're going to remove that right now from the pot and start to look out our alfredo sauce. So we're going to throw it out in the next container. Good. So our pasta is come to a boil after 5 minutes. You can see it. We're going to drain the water and get it ready to put inside of the alfredo sauce. Tablespoon of olive oil. Quarter chopped white onion. We're going to saute this. Saute the onion till it comes to this brownish look. Nicely. Alright, so now you started to get that color that you're looking for. That nice brownish look. Alright, pinch of salt, pinch of black pepper. Continue saute this onion. Get that brownish color. So now our onion come to the brown content that we're looking for. We have an ounce of butter. We're going to add it to it. About your ounce of butter. Nicely. Alright. Good. So we're going to kind of make a space in the middle. And we're going to add 3 teaspoons of flour. Yeah. And we're going to rub that nicely. Good. So we're using the flour instead of using the heavy cream to give you that thick look. Alright. Good. Alright, now we're going to add. So we're now going to add in our milk. We're using a cup of regular milk that we're using. Alright, we're going to put it in periodically and ensure that we stir to ensure that we get that nice texture in our sauce. Alright, so we're definitely putting in our milk periodically to ensure that that texture come out and that look of the sauce that you're looking for. Add another 2 teaspoons of the milk. Alright. Still want to get that creamy content, you know. Continue stir. Creamy content you're looking for. Alright, ensure that the fire on low heat. And then you add another 2 teaspoons of the milk. Good. Now you're getting that thick content that you're looking for. we're gonna add 2 teaspoons of white wine. Good. And then now you're gonna add some salt and some pepper. Let's add a little more milk. We go ahead and move our sauce. We strain it off just to get rid of the hard stuff then. Alright, so look at the content of our sauce now. Ready? So now we're going to add back our chicken. Here's our chicken. Alright. I'm going to stir that nicely. And then we're going to add our pasta. Let's add our pasta. Good. We're going to add some fresh basil, chopped fresh basil with some fresh green onion. Alright, and then we're going to stir that nicely. Alright, this is the content we're looking for. Yep. This is the content and the texture we're looking for. So now our pasta is ready. Our chicken alfredo pasta is ready. Alright? So let's share. And there you have it, guys. Your chicken pasta in alfredo sauce. Make easy on the Fitzy Cooking Show. Yeah? I hope you guys continue to subscribe to Chef Fitzroy Needham on YouTube, Fitzroy Needham on Instagram, and Fitzroy Needham on Facebook. Yeah? Alright? So, chicken pasta with alfredo sauce. I'm out. Love you now.
Hey, don't worry.
Static Entertainment.
Spread your wings